Hi guys, good morning. Dito kami guys sa airport ng Mount Gambier and this is our first time na fly papunta ng Melbourne kasi never naman kami Hi. Never kami nagpa-fly kasi lagi lang kami drive. Speaking of driving, si Jan nauna na kanina, alas 5 umalis na siya papuntang Melbourne. So imimit na lang namin siya sa hotel. Okay. Drive careful, babe. See you in Melbourne.
And then you go straight to the photo shoot, don't you?
No, photo shoot will be on the 11th. Okay, see ya. Be careful with my bag, babe.
Well, I can't go there until you're there.
That's right, so go somewhere. Be careful with my bag, babe. Love you, see ya.
Lock the lights, lock the door.
Yeah.
No, you have to do that. Well, it's not hard, it's just...
Alright. And, dinarap ko na rin yung mga bata doon kila Sophie. Doon sila matutulog for 2 days. Hi! Hi, guys! Dinarap ko lang yung mga bata. Here's Zach. Oh. Kiss na mami. Hoy, kiss na mami. See ya. Bye-bye.
Come on,
Bye-bye. Bye! And, what's that, Baba? Your milk? Sandali lang. And here, Baba. You're welcome. And, yeah, tapos, sobrang kabado ako, guys, kasi, hindi pa ako nakakapag-drive papunta dito sa Mount Gambier Airport. And, hindi ko alam kung saan liliko. Ang dami niyang pine trees. So, hindi ko alam kung saan yung direction. Basta, may sign naman siya, pero parang ang haba. So, saan ba ako dito liliko? Parang ganun. Tapos, syempre, wala naman akong kasama. So, sa akin talaga nakadepende yung kung mahanap ko tong airport na ito. Kasi, from the main road, mag-ano ka pa, magli-left. Tapos, pag-turn mo sa left, siya, mga pine trees siya, guys. As in, hindi ko lang ma-vlog kasi na nagda-drive ako. Pine trees, tapos ang haba niya. Tapos, sabi ko, nasa na ba ang sign nito? Sabi ko, ang layo ko na. Tapos, sobrang nang kaba ko kasi hindi ko alam kung mahanap ko ba. Tapos, pagpasok namin, nag-turn kaming left na, kasi may sign na to the airport daw. Tapos, pagpasok ko naman dun sa left, pine trees na naman siya, guys. Para siyang anyway, nandito na kami. Pero sobrang kaba ko. And then, wala rin ako, may tulog din ako, pero maaga akong nagising. Nakatulog siguro ako 8:30 or 8:45. Nagising ako, guys, 2:45. Tapos, pinipilit kong makatulog. Hindi na talaga, ayaw niya na talaga. So, sobrang kaba ko. Siguro sa excited, kabado. Tapos, basta yun, ang ginawa ko na lang, namlansya ako ng mga damit namin na dadalhin. And, nag-vacuum, nalinis ko yung bahay. So, pagdating namin, malinis yung bahay. Right, Ali? Say yes. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Are you excited for your photo shoot? Ang photo shoot niya, guys, tomorrow pa. Tapos, it will take 25 minutes yung photo shoot ni Holly for tomorrow. Right, Holly? Say yes.
Wait.
So, yes. So, yun. Nabanggit ko na ba na-draft off ko yung mga bata kila Sophie. Doon sila matutulog for 2 days. Tapos, excited yung dalawa kasi mag-school bus sila. Never pa nila na-experience mag-school bus. So, yun, excited talaga si Zach. Sabi niya, two times daw siya mag-school bus. Sabi ko, yes. Excited din sila kasi 3 days sila naka-lunch order. Lunch order, guys, yung, alam niyo naman, yung sa canteen na mag-order sila kung kasi hindi, syempre, walang magagawa ng nila ng lunch. So, lunch order sila for 3 days. So, yun lang. We'll see you later sa loob sa airport. Okay, say bye!
Bye.
Hey, bye! Look at the camera. Say bye!
Bye.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Smile, Holly. Holly, smile. Look at Mama. Ay, look at Mommy. Smile. Laugh. Dance. Happy. Happy. Ah. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye. Okay, let's go.
Go.
Look at Mama. Go, Papa. Good girl. Here, wait for Mama here. Stay here.
Both boarding passes, 10B's the aisle and one for the infant.
Okay.
You'll have that double seat to yourself. That's the good news.
Okay, thank you. Go, find your seat. Here, Baba. Here. Okay, opo. Good girl. Uy. si Holly. Dito naman sa loob ng airport, guys. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Hi, guys. Guys, dito na kami sa loob ng airport. Delayed ang flight natin. Supposed to be 9:50 ng alis. 10 o'clock na raw kasi wala pa yung plane. So, hintay-hintay na lang muna tayo. Tingnan niyo si Holly. Ang cute niya. It's alright, Mommy will put your shoes later. Come on ka, Mama. Hi, guys. Hi. 1 hour delayed. So, eto, naglalaro lang kami ni Holly. Yeah, hi, guys. Okay, come on. Nandito na yung plane namin. At saka ito yung boarding pass namin. Ayan. Si Holly nakikipaglaro dito sa kaharap namin na nakaupong lalaki. Sabi niya, very friendly daw ni Holly. Tingnan niyo. Pika. Ayan. Ayan na yung mga nakasakay dun sa plane. So, halika na, Holly. Let's go, Holly. Yeah. Oh. Open your legs. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Whoop. Put your arm. Let's go, Baba Yoli. Papa. So, our plane. Let's go to the plane. Let's go to the plane. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Baby, let's go here. Baby, Yay! Yeah.
Ta-da!
Yay! We're done. We're ready. Diba? We're ready to go, Papa. Ready to go. We're ready to go. Say hi. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. This? You give this? Give it to the guy?
That's the one.
Power?
2 there, I reckon. Yes,
Yeah.
by 2. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, ito po, Mama. Yeah, dito na kami, guys. Ayun yung aeroplane natin, Holly. Oh, look at the plane. Aeroplane, no. Yeah, Papa, look at the plane, Papa. Hello. Papa.
Do you have your boarding pass with
Yes,
you today?
please.
Lovely. I'll just check these for you. One row. Fantastic. So your
Where's it?
seat's in the second last row, and I'll be down with an infant seatbelt for you
Okay.
shortly. You're welcome. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Very well, and yourself? That's good. Your seat's on the second side today.
Ang liit niya, best. Ang liit niya. Ayan, paside lang tayo kasi maliit yung plane. Holy. My God, nasa dulo kami, guys. Ayan na. 10B. Yan, dito kami, guys, nasa huli. Nasa dulo, nasa pinaka. Ayan na yung likod. Dito tayo, Holly. Tapos may bintana. Wait, Papa. Review na Holly from this. Okay, Papa. Sure. Oh, sure. Okay, understand. Alright. So, we're gonna put this here. Ay, Papa. Ang sikip niya. Ang sikip. Late, guys, ng aeroplano. Ayan na yung dulo. Nandito ko sa... Ayan yung bintana. Ayan, natatawa ko kasi first time lang namin mag-fly na domestic dito sa Australia. So, tapos kami lang ni Holly, wala si Jan at saka yung boys. Put your seat up. You like these? Here? Can you look now? Okay.
Engine and a light which will operate for
Mama? Water, Papa? Yeah, you can go. Oops. Ay, ang liit ng plane, Baba. Okay, thank you.
There we go.
Thank you so
That's
much.
alright.
Yan, tinulungan niya kami. Sige, baba na tayo. Thank Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
That's okay.
First time natin to ma-experience, Holly. From plane to bus. Yes. Yes. Inalis ko na yung ano niya, yung coat niya kasi ang init. Init ba ba? Okay, let's go. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Oops. Thank you. Sa totoo guys, hindi ko alam kung saan ka pupunta. I-follow lang namin itong mga kasama namin sa plane. Right, Holly? Baba? Say yes. Say yes.
Hey.
Yes. Mainit, guys. Tara, lakad muna kami. Lakad muna kami. Lakad muna kami ni Holly. Saan ang labas? Sabi may susundo raw sa amin tapos dadalhin kami sa hotel. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan tayo lalabas, Holly. Sana mayroong pangalan mo para alam natin kung nasaan siya. Saan, Holly? Ano ba? Baba? Dito na ba tayo lalabas? Saan po? Saan? Wala. Guys, hindi ko alam kung saan kami lalabas. Ang daming gate. Paano natin malalaman yung may susundo daw eh. Lumabas ako kanina doon. Wala namang bus doon. Hanapin muna namin guys. Ako, dito na siguro to guys. I hope this is right, Holly. Nawawala kami ni Holly. Thank you. Is the taxis upstairs?
Sorry?
Taxis or this is... Oh, down. Oh my God. Okay, thank you. Guys, mali na naman. Bababa na naman kami ni Holly. Saan ba talaga tayo, Holly? Ayan, kasi hindi naman talaga kami nagpi-plane papuntang Melbourne. Kaya ano naman ang alam ko dito. Tapos ako pa mag-isa. Okay lang sana kung nandito si Jan. Buti na lang wala kaming luggage. Kung may luggage tayo, Holly, ewan ko na lang. So, hanapin na lang natin yung magsusundo sa atin. Baba ulit tayo, guys. Baba muna. Guys. Ayan, Howard. I was lost. I went upstairs. Thank you.
Alright, and you're the plane.
We're here now. We're gonna cross now. Welcome to Melbourne. Melbourne. Elevator. Elevator. Dito kami sa elevator. Elevator, Papa? Oh, ang init. It's hot. Look at your face. Look. Look at your face. It's red. It's hot. Okay.
Me who you see, 'cause